Guys, finally the December schedule for CAB examination is out. So if you want to write CAB examination on December, you need to fill up the application form starting date from 1st October 2021 and you need to end up at 31st October 2021. So guys, don't forget these dates, 1st October to 31st October. If you don't apply within these days, you can miss the opportunity to write the CAB examination in December. And the schedule date for bank advanced banking management, bank financial management, and other electives like rural banking, HRM, and other elective risk management, just like that. That schedule is also released, guys. For advanced banking management, 5th December 2021. Bank financial management, 12th December 2021. And the rest of the electives like risk management, retail banking, rural banking, just like the electives, 19th December 2021. See guys, there are tremendous amount of dates in between it. So give your preparation best and clear CAB examination in first attempt. My hearty all the best for all the candidates, those who appear for the CAB examination. And see that guys, the portion that you need to study is, and the time duration that we need to go through the examination is also mentioned here with the duration totally 120 minutes, that is 2 hours duration for each paper. Total questions 100, all are multiple choice questions. Maximum mark is 100. Medium of examination, whether you are going to write CAB in English or in Hindi. Negative marks, there is no negative marks. So guys, please give your fullest attempt in CAB. Pattern for question, knowledge testing, conceptual grasp, analytical and logical exposition, problem solving, and case based questions are also supposed to come in it. Okay guys, hope you get an idea for appearing for the CAB examination, and all the best for the candidates those who are appear for the December CAB examination. All the best guys, thank you.